Welcome back to our channel where we break down real numbers behind real farming opportunities in Zimbabwe and Africa. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button because today we are talking about an ancient but powerful livestock business, sheep farming. And the big question is, can you really start a profitable sheep farming operation with just $1,000? Let's find out step by step. Sheep are an underrated opportunity in Zimbabwean agriculture. Here is why. Dual income. You can get income from meat and wool, although wool has limited market locally. Low maintenance. Compared to cattle, sheep requires less feed and smaller land. Faster multiplication. A healthy female sheep can give birth to 2 lambs per year. Growing demand. The meat is increasingly in demand, especially during holidays and traditional ceremonies. So, let's get to the big question. Can you start sheep farming with 1,000 in Zimbabwe? Yes, but at a small scale. Let's do the math. Let's assume a low entry model. Let's say you buy 10 females and 2 males for breeding. Here's the cost breakdown. These are going to cost you $600 if you buy them at $50 each. This setup assumes you already have access to grazing land. If not, you need to consider leasing pastures. The real money in sheep comes from flock multiplication. Here is how it works. A female sheep can give birth twice every 18 to 20 months. Many give twins, some singles. Let's assume 10 female produce 14 lambs per year. You can grow the lamb for 16 to 8 months and then sell for meat. The average sale weight is 30 to 35 kgs and the market price is $4 to $5 live weight. So, considering the lamb spawn, 14 lambs multiplied by the average cell weight of 32 kgs, that's 448 kgs total. At $4.50 live weight, 448 multiplied by $4.50, that's $2,016. Now let's subtract some yearly operation costs of $1,000. Your profit for year 1 will be $1,016. You recoup your startup investment within a year. Now, here's where things get exciting. If you retain 10 female lambs from 1 year and grow them to maturity, your breeding flock expands. In year 2, you could have 20 females. Let's assume 20 females gives you 28 lambs. 28 lambs multiplied by 32 kgs multiplied by $4.50 is equal to $4,032 in revenue, minus $600 for expanded costs. Your profit in year 2 will be $3,432. Here are other income streams for sheep. If you want more ways to earn from sheep, check this out. Manure, great for crop farming, sell or use on your own land. Wool, low local market but can be sold for crafts and blankets. Breeding stock, sell quality rams and females at premium prices. Value addition, slaughter and sell meat directly for higher margins. Now let's be real, it's not all easy grazing. Here are the risks. Predators, jackals, stray dogs, or even thieves can be of a greater risk to your sheep. Diseases, foot rot, worms, and tick-borne illness affect sheep. Poor record keeping, this will lead to missed breeding opportunities. Here are the tips. Always vaccinate and deworm. Rotate grazing to reduce parasites. Keep accurate flock records and start small, reinvest profits. So, can you make money from sheep farming in Zimbabwe with 1,000? Yes, if you start small, breed wisely and reinvest. In year 1, you can get 1,000 profit, and in year 2, you can get around 3,000 US dollars. It's not a get-rich-quick project, but it's sustainable, scalable, and rooted in Zimbabwean tradition. There you have it, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who dreams of starting a livestock business. Until next time, keep farming smart.